Welcome to the first tips and tricks video here at Scaleprint. In this short video I want to tell you something about the lacquering procedure, especially for these really detailed items which I offer here in the shop. There are some rules what I like to tell you, and the first rule is take your time. It's not possible to lacquer things like, for example, this ejection seat, which is very detailed and which I deliver as an assembly set, because you can't lacquer it in one piece. The black material is rubber, there's no need for a finish, it feels very soft and looks like leather, so this is fine. But all the other things, for example, here's a tank, an oil tank for the Llama helicopter, or also a joystick. Again, this manchette which comes on the floor is out of rubber, or a headphone. These are loose, you can remove it for the lacquering procedure. To get a good finish, I never use sandpaper like I did maybe years before. With this hard edge you definitely will damage the part during sanding. I use only these sanding foams, which you also can get in my shop in there are different kinds, rough and very fine ones. What I often do is I cut it in thin stripes, and then I cut an angle here on the top, and then you are really able, wait a moment, you are really able to sand all these small edges here without damaging the other side. So there's a soft edge here, but still strong enough to get lacquer material off. And with that I really receive a very good finish. Here, for example, I have an air grill, which is for Yak 130. I think scale 1x4 or 1x4.5. And also you can see you can sand on all these corners without damaging the model or the other side of the from the part. So normally I do the lacquering with 2 layers of primer. It's a special primer, it's not the normal primer out of the shop. I order it from auto lacquering companies, or you also can buy it in my shop. This kind of primer has more pigments in, which makes life more easy, because there are no drops when you lacquer, but you still have to lacquer very thin. And for that reason I do it 2 or sometimes also 3 times. With a sanding in between, which brings the best result at the end. So again, I showed you this sample already, and you can see here, here's a ready lacquered sample in black high gloss. But it's also possible the same air grill here in another scale, which is only 15 by 15 millimeters, but very detailed and very shiny on all these edges and corners. I will integrate some pictures later, which you can see in this video, and then I think you also can see the quality. This is a picture with the first layer of lacquer, then the next one with the second layer of primer. And here now you can see the result with a high gloss black lacquer finish, and I think the parts are looking better as on the original planes. So that's all for the moment, for the first video. I wish you the best and good luck with all these nice parts, and see you soon.